So hi guys, in this project we are going to learn about how to create IR sensor tab using Arduino IoT. We going to in this video we going to learn about how to make a IR sensor tab using Arduino Uno. So the required components for IR sensor is Arduino Uno IR sensor and the servo motor. So this is a circuit diagram of Arduino IR sensor tab. So I am using IR sensor and a servo motor. So the output pin is third pin for IR sensor and the fourth pin for servo motor. So ground pin is connected to IR ground and Arduino 5 volt 3.3 volt is connected to IR ground. Next we in connected to servo motor power supply. Next ground pin is connected to servo ground. The data pin is fourth pin is pulse pin is connected to servo pulse pin. The Arduino Uno fourth pin connected to servo pulse pin. Next we enter into the coding part. So this is the coding. This is my coding. So I include a server header. So S1 equal to 4. This is the IR sensor pin. So servo my servo. Next pin mode equal to S1 is equal to input. So next I declare a my servo equal to attach. Third pin is a servo pin. Next while loop. Servo serial that begin 9600. Next if received value. So into received value equal to digital read of S1. So read the value from S1. It is a fourth pin connected to the IR sensor. If we get the pin value equal to 0, my servo write equal to 0. So my servo dot the received value equal to 1. My servo dot write equal to 180 degree. It rotates. Okay. So this is the coding part. So we move into the prototype part. Thank you.
So this is the prototype part. So actually after completed my hardware part, so I connecting the servo motor and IR sensor module. So when I the show to IR sensor, it turn on the water tap. When I remove, it's off the tap.